So you have your sample of wild orange. This is one of my favorite oils. It smells absolutely beautiful. So this is fantastic for emotional support, for anxiety, or just times of stress, low mood. You're going to take your sample bottle, put 2 or 3 drops on the palm of your hand, rub your hands together, then cup your nose and mouth and take some deep breaths in. You really feel that oil going into your airways. So this is for a mood lifter or for any sort of anxiety. You can also apply this or put these into some water by tapping the bottom of the bottle 2 or 3 times again into a glass of water, and then you can enjoy that just as a refreshing flavour for your water. Again, it is a natural mood lifter, and as a citrus oil, it's also very cleansing and detoxifying. So they're the main uses for your wild orange. Enjoy.